Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. The Dan is back in the lab. Yes, man, gang. It's where I do today, no man. We're back in the lab today with none other than. You don't know what time it is, you know. Mr. Ratty Gang boss himself, man. Yes, man. Mr. Pam Pam, man. Yeah, we're there with none other than Skeng. We're there with a new track, the one named Pam Pam. For to check it out and swear the Ratty Gang boss I deal with. Yeah, see me and say, but before we jump in that video, make sure you like and subscribe button, gang. You already know we're fully back and fully active. We're going crazy with the reactions. Bangers gonna be dropping more. We're gonna be more consistent. So see me and say, especially for this whole month, we're going crazy, man. Crazy reaction. Not only music videos, but other videos as well. So stay tuned for that and the lives. Don't forget the lives and the videos. And make sure you like and hype up a thing. You see me and say? Yes, man. But yeah, guys, today we're there with none other than Skeng, the one named Pam Pam. We'll check it out and see where the Ratty Gang boss I deal with. And apparently this is a Babylon project. Is this on Governor's new project? The Babylon project? I don't know. Let's get it, guys. Here's the man says Skeng Pam Pam.
Be a thought when I don't know nothing boys change and I wanna be one way. That never gonna happen at the end of the week and
be a talk, them a talk and don't know nothing about the streets. Be a wanna way. That's real talk. That's facts. Enough of the people who claim today they like the streets and they in the street. No know nothing about the streets. You see me I say? Far from the streets. You see me I say? You see me I like some you like me, you know. You see me I say like well, I be vibing and chilling and trust me, I be in the streets more than enough of these niggas, you know what I'm saying? Enough of these niggas can't survive what we survive. But yet still we remain humble and do a thing. You see me? But enough of them just yeah, let me tell you this. Enough of them you tell see in the streets, bro, they be faking, bro. You see me I say? Real shit. Enough of the niggas I thought that was real, that was actually doing shit, wasn't doing half the shit I was doing. So so that made me realize yo, enough of them boy they don't wear badness on face, you know. Big man thing. Enough time I realize, but we're glad for the fake you them because they keep us real. You see me I say? Real shit. Because while we are doing the real thing, you see me, we while they pretending to do the real shit, we actually doing the real shit. So they keep us real. You see me? Yeah. So just keep we like the fact that we different. But let's get it.
even a dip on the weekend, G. Hash to wash and dust to dust. Him PS fuck up, cremation is a must. Make him sight alive.
Shh, ash to ashes, dust to dust. Him face for cup, cremation is a must. What? Holy! No man. Come on.
Dust to dust, him PS fuck up, cremation is a must. Make him sight alive, bright like luminous. Illustrate the badness like a school me go. Sucking me. No get to it. Spanish too. Pam Pam.
Spain turn.
Jelly.
Flanker.
I said, dust up, shut up, bust and dust bomb bust. Hey, me shut up money. Oh, move out of me.
As it dust up, shut up, bust up.
Hold on, move. And dust to dust. Pam Pam. Me shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man a gonna never jam. Pam Pam. Coffee go be swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid and a man. And done. Me shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man a gonna never jam. Pam Pam.
Pam Pam, I said I must see for them, you know, man. Look out.
Me shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man a gonna never jam. Pam Pam. Coffee go be swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid and a man. And done. Me shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man a gonna never jam. Pam Pam. Coffee go be swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid and a man.
Your man said dog. Man said a Pam Pam. I'm not gonna lie, you are going. Run it! Hey man, say a straight Pam Pam.
Shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man a gonna never jam. Pam Pam. Coffee go be swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid and a man. Go make them just light. I'm a pine, I'm a strike like a light and a thief in the night. Come here, I'm a 9, I'm a kindly the time. Surprisingly the drive up.
The man said from me 8 to me 9, I'm kindly surprised. Gotcha!
Make them just light, I'm a pine, I'm a strike like a light and a thief in the night. Come here, I'm a 9, I'm a kindly the time. Surprisingly the drive up a window, them wind down. Pam Pam, door fly, man a chuck and a die. Come on.
Ajashi, him attack. I say go and make them gaslight you. Go on with them gaslighter, man.
Time, make you reach prime time. Pipeline cross mine, I'm a rice carbine. Dioxide just time, like the rifle rise. Pam pam. Shut a lick up in a man. Pam pam. Tell a man I gonna never jam. Pam pam. Coffee swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid of no man. Man done. Shut a lick up in a man. Pam pam.
Be a shot a lick up in a chest and in a head, in a dog, and in a foot, in a boy. Lick up like a car crash, you know you.
Lick up in a man, pam pam. Tell a man I gonna never jam, pam pam. Coffee swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid of no man. Pam can know I wouldn't afraid of people walking evil. I'm victim that many cheese and no need a reason was to make the left.
God, them for no afraid of people walking. What?
Pam can know I wouldn't afraid of people walking evil. I'm victim that many cheese and no need a reason was to make the left.
So I'm convicted of many treason. Me no need a reason.
I'm victim that many cheese and no need.
Hey, that no good do the Skeng. You know, if you convicted of treason, if he's a real man, and supposed to be get convicted of treason and everything, then you see me saying?
The reason was to make the left time on my season. Shot to swing your vehicle, tire peel and left the place a steam up. Even fiber keep up, pam pam. Gun in your face, I never rework when we walk and the nick up. All face, I go mash up.
Man, so gun in your face, I never rebuck when we buck up. Whole place, I go mash up, man.
Even fiber keep up, pam pam. Gun in your face, I never rework when we walk and the nick up. All face, I go mash up. When the group up and the boots up, and tree, I figure.
And so when wolf gun in your face and a rebuck, when we buck and a nick up, whole face, I go mash up, you. You know, I shot there, I got check.
When we walk and the nick up, all face, I go mash up. When the group up and the boots up, and tree, I figure root up. Family suit up, look, boy, find smarty, yes, to pull up. Be a talk, when I talk, no nothing boys change. And I be, wanna be,
wanna way.
Never gonna happen, not a day, not the week, and even a deep on the weekend, G. Be a talk, when I talk, no nothing.
Man said that now go up no day on the week, and not even a day on the weekend, me G.
Not the week, and even a deep on the weekend, G. Be a talk, when I talk, no nothing boys change. And I be, wanna
way.
Never gonna happen,
Happen
not
a
a
day
day,
on
not
the
the
week,
week,
and
and
not
even a
even a
deep
day on the weekend, G.
to wash and dust to dust. Hash to wash and dust to dust.
Pam Pam.
Shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man I gonna never jam. Pam Pam. Coffee swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid of no man. Man done. Shut a lick up in a man. Pam Pam. Tell a man I gonna never jam. Pam Pam. Coffee swing another one in a display and no game in a afraid of no man.
Pam Pam. Pam 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 them blood clean. Yes, man. One thing, guys. One thing about the one there. Let me know in the comment section. Skeng Pam Pam. Yeah, man. Comment. Is this the first track of the year for Skeng, guys? I don't think so, right? This is not the first track of the year for Skeng. This is the first track we're reacting to. I don't even think this is the first track that we're reacting from Skeng. Let me find real quick. Is this the first song of the year for Skeng? Just might. He never answered Josh yet, though. Just might be, this I think it is, I think this might be the first track of the year for Skeng. Well, shout out to Skeng. Welcome in, man. Yeah. Yeah, our first track of the year for Skeng. So shout out to Skeng, man. Appreciate you, gang. Welcome on in. Yeah, see me I say so. Yeah, I'm doing thing for now and Pam Pam I go crazy, dog. I actually like this track. I'm gonna have to listen to it some more so I go on. This is what lyrics we did. Missy man say, yo. Them boy there, I be wanna way. They said, no know nothing about the streets. But be wanna way. Man say, yo, when we buck up on a Reebok and a knee cup. And man say, that. He said, when we buck up on a Reebok and a knee cup, a face I got mash up. You see me? I say, and we dog say, yo, they wanna be, that now go happen no day of the week. And not even a day upon the weekend, me G. I like that talk. You see what I'm saying? So shout out to Skeng on that one, man. Really fun track, really dope track in my opinion. Kind of dark. You see me? I say kind of violent. You know what I'm saying? Kind of rough. But you don't know this is Skeng. You see me? I say so. We already know what you was getting into when you jump into this. I know it wasn't gonna be no smooth, you know. No, it ain't gonna be no R&B. We know. You see me? It's gonna be rough and darkness. You see me? I say. So shout out to Skeng. He's doing this thing, bro. But yeah. That's what we're going in today, guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me? I say like new style from Skeng. I think he went a little bit kind of lyrical on this one. You know what I'm saying? Some style, give a little sense. You know what I'm saying? But the overall vibe is definitely still Skeng. He's doing his thing, man. Skeng definitely freaking flourishing in the game right now. You see me? Look at the man diamonds and things and the dives and things. Skeng is living life, man. Putting in the work. Reaping his lane. I do think Skeng need to go a little bit harder this year, though. You know what I'm saying? As frequency wise, and then switch up a little bit, dropping a little bit more girl tune. We need a little bit more vibes tune. But shout out to Skeng, man. Real vibe. I enjoyed this one. Pam Pam. Yes, me is doing his thing. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, guys. Yes, me I say if you rate it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know say you're Jambisco dancing. Yes, me I say, guys. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. It's a vibe. So yeah. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself on each other. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe up. Make sure you drop a comment and make sure you hype up the video. Appreciate you guys. Till next time. Take care of yourself on each other. Love you guys. I'm out.